Let's bake garlic butter chicken in our oven. I'll give you the easy recipe you can make at home. If you have garlic, fresh cloves of garlic, and if you have butter, you can make this delicious whole chicken recipe in your oven. We need at least 150 grams of butter. 150 grams of butter. It goes in here. We will put this in the microwave for a quick 45 seconds. We will turn on our oven 450 degrees so it gets preheated. Melted butter, fresh cloves of garlic. We will be taking at least 20 of them. So 5, 10 and 20. And this goes all in here. Let's blend this, make a smoothie out of it. This will be giving all the flavor to our delicious garlic butter chicken. So this is how this smoothie gonna look. It's on the thicker side, it's okay. It's gonna all melt in. This is our 3.5 pound of whole chicken without the skin. This is organic chicken. We will be baking some eggplants with that. We'll put the foil just like that. So make it across. Take our chicken. Just land it right here. Remember our smoothie. Our smoothie we made, just add all here. If you want to reheat this, you can reheat it. But for now, just add it right here. We will massage this. This is a thick paste of garlic butter. Just give it all rough massage. We will get rid of the gloves. And now, easy thing to do. Cover the whole chicken. This is how it's gonna be. We're gonna take another piece of foil and we will cover it. Here it is. This is a regular baking sheet. We'll put the chicken right on the side. We will take eggplant. Just cut it from the middle. Just like that. Don't open it. I'm using the small eggplants and just put it right next to it. We'll take salt. Just sprinkle some salt on it, some black pepper, and olive oil. Grab it and just massage all the olive oil on top. Make sure it gets the, all sides are lubricated. Okay, let's go. Let's add this in our oven. Grab this, add it right here. Okay, we don't have to do anything now. We just have to watch the time, right? So I'll see you after 45 minutes now. Garlic butter chicken. It's been 45 minutes. It has been cooking at 450 degrees and it's been 45 minutes. So the moment of truth is here. Let's turn this off. Roasted, looking delicious. All right, so the moment of truth, the aroma is yummy. OMG, the steam. It's not gonna have any weird colors, but it's gonna be having a lot of flavor. Delicious steam roasted garlic butter oven baked chicken is ready. So it's more than 165. It's been 45 minutes. Our delicious, can you tell it's baked? And it's baked to perfection. tender, soft. Oh my god. If you need extra oils, they are sitting. It's very hot. Make this easy, simple, delicious recipe. Subscribe the channel. If you like the video, do like it. I will see you on the next one with another easy, simple, great recipe you can make at home. And enjoy this. Bye bye for now. It's just so hot. I want to eat, but I just want to wait. Look at all this meat, all the way cooked. Use the same temperatures, and it's completely done. Make sandwiches out of it, eat with the salad, or just make the way I showed you, eggplants with garlic butter chicken. It's a very healthy, clean recipe. Wow.